Number 1. The dot plot shows the masses of 18 watermelons. Each dot represents one watermelon. The dot plot shows watermelons weighed in mass of kilograms. The 3 watermelons with the greatest mass have a combined mass of how many kilograms? Number 2. This graphic organizer is not correct. Triangles. Classified by angles, acute, obtuse, scalene. Classified by side lengths, equilateral, right, isosceles. Which 2 words on the organizer should switch places to make the organizer correct? Number 3. A small baseball stadium has 6,552 seats. The seats are evenly distributed among 18 different sections. How many seats are in each section of the stadium? Number 4. Rounded to the nearest tenth, the weight of Emily's cat is 11 5/10 pounds. Which could be the actual weight of Emily's cat? Number 5. By the end of the day on Friday, Alejandro's pencil was exactly 3 inches long, which shows another way to represent the length of his pencil. Number 6. Miss Griffin has 8/10 liters of hot tea and 4 teacups. She will divide the tea evenly among the cups. Which model represents 8/10 divided by 4? Number 7. Which input-output table below shows an additive pattern? Remember to go from the input to the output and find all the way through each table which represent an additive pattern. Number 8. Look at the diagram. Rectangle, rhombus. Which is an example of a quadrilateral that is both a rectangle and a rhombus? Number 9. Elisa drew the model below. It shows 7 holes. This model represents which expression? Number 10. A model of a basketball court is shown below. What is the area of the court in square feet? Number 11. The value of which expression is a prime number? Work out each expression and find the prime. Number 12. The table shows the number of burgers and hot dogs that Bruce sold at his snack booth on 4 days last week. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Burgers, hot dogs. Bruce sold each burger for $5, and each hot dog for $2. What is the total amount of money Bruce earned? Number 13. Lily and Sarah are playing a game with numbers. When Lily says a number, Sarah adds 2.5 or 2 5/10 to the number. Lily will say the numbers 0, 2, 4, and 6 as shown in the table below. Which graph shows the ordered pairs that would appear in the completed table? Number 14. The circles shown below represent the pies that will be served at a party. If each pie is cut into equal ninths, how many pieces of pie will there be? Number 15. The list shows how fast 4 cars completed 1 lap around a racetrack. Car number 1, 1 972 thousandths of a minute. Car number 2, 2 189 thousandths of a minute. Car number 3, 1 895 thousandths of a minute. Car number 4, 2 19/19 of a minute. Which correctly compares the time of the fourth car to the time of the second car? Remember to line up your decimals and make your decimals happy. Number 16. Sebastian bought some packs of baseball cards. There were 12 cards in each pack. He gave 6 baseball cards to his best friend. This left Sebastian with 54 cards. Which equation can be used to represent this situation, where P is the number of packs of baseball cards that Sebastian bought? Number 17. The scatter plot shows the number of pictures and posters that hang on the bedroom walls of 10 students. Pictures versus posters. What is the total number of posters that hang on the bedroom walls of the 10 students? If they're only asking for posters, you want to ensure and only go and look at this section. Number 18. Mr. Howell purchased 8 flower pots and 4.8 cubic feet of potting soil. He will divide the soil equally among the pots before planting flowers. How much soil will be in each pot? Remember, he is dividing the soil equally. Number 19. Latanya's book weighs 2.5 pounds. Belita's book weighs 1 3/10 pounds. In pounds, how much do the two books weigh together? Number 20. Look at the coordinate grid. Which ordered pair represents a point that is not inside the star? Not. Number 21. The model shown below is a composite of 2 regular prisms. What is the volume of the model in cubic units? Make sure and find the volume of both and then put them together. Number 22. A shipping company loaded 2,389 containers onto 3 cargo ships. Each ship held about the same number of containers. Which is the best estimate of the number of containers that was loaded onto each ship? Number 23. Li Ming will use the numerical expression below to help her solve a math problem. 156 minus 48 times 3. What is the value of the expression? Don't forget about PEMDAS. Number 24. Absolan will draw a point at 8, 0 and a point at 3, 5. Then he will draw a line segment to connect the 2 points. The line segment will pass through which figure? Number 25. Elizabeth has a bottle that contains 4/5 pint of juice. If she drinks 1/3 pint of the juice, what fraction of a pint of juice will remain in the bottle? Number 26. Monday through Friday, Nicholas plays his guitar 1.5 or 1 5/10 hours each day. On Saturday, he plays it 3 25/100 hours. On Sunday, he does not play it. How many hours does Nicholas play his guitar each week? Number 27. The graph shows the number of students that attend different clubs after school on Friday. Club attendance. We have the number of students and then the club: science, chess, math, Spanish. Remember that the gray is boys, the dark black color is girls. Which is the best estimate of the total number of students that attend clubs on Friday? Number 28. The table shows the amount of cheese that Gregorio put on small, medium, and large pizzas at his restaurant. Small, 5/8 pound. Medium, 7/8 pound. Large, 1 1/8 pound. How much cheese would Gregorio place on 5 medium pizzas combined? 5 mediums. Number 29. Chelsea wrote this numeric expression. Brackets, parentheses, 2 times 5, close parentheses, minus 4, close brackets, divided by 2. Which of these expressions has the same value as Chelsea's expression? Please remember to work out Chelsea's and then work out every single answer choice to find the same value. Number 30. A veterinarian placed a gray kitten and a white kitten on a scale together. The scale indicated a weight of 16.9 or 16 9/10 ounces. The veterinarian removed the gray kitten and left the white kitten on the scale. The scale indicated a weight of 8.25 or 8 25 ounces. What was the weight of the gray kitten in ounces?